guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video I'll be doing a no makeup tutorial. I don't remember if I ever did this before, but I could do it again because I can. So in today's video I'll be doing a no makeup tutorial. This is basically for someone who kind of really not into, you know, the full glam, full beat makeup look. So this is definitely for you, and this is also for beginners. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make your face look like you have on makeup, but they're really not sure if you have on makeup because it's like so flawless, so it's so everything. So I'm going to show you guys how to create that, and you can wear it at work, at school, you can wear it anywhere you want to wear it pretty much. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. I'm going to jump right into the video. My eyebrow is already done already. Yeah, I really like my eyebrow, and I use the Benefit Goof Proof Pencil in 4.5. I really love this. So this is what I use for my eyebrow, and then I use the Benefit 3D Brow Tone. I really like this. I bought this like 2 weeks ago and I really like it. So after I did that, I put it onto my eyebrow. So yeah, okay, so first thing first, you have to prep your skin. Right now I don't have on nothing on my face. Like, my face is so damn dry right now. I don't have on nothing on my face, so I'm just gonna push my hair back so when I put on my stuff it really don't, you know, mess up my hair. Okay, right now. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna go into my NYX Hydra Touch primer, but I don't use primer. Like, I don't use silicone primer because my face is very dry, but I'm using this today because it feels like a moisturizer. It doesn't feel like a primer and it doesn't dry out my skin. So I'm gonna use this today, and pretty much you just put it wherever you want to put it. You can use anything of your choice, you know, the way how your skin is. Go with the flow and just rub it in. And because this is like a no makeup tutorial, you don't have to like go crazy on the stuff that you need. Like, really simple stuff that you need and you're done. And I'm gonna show you how to create that. So put it all over your skin, and then next you're gonna go into your glow. This is a Hydra Glow Serum with have anti-aging and hyaluronic acid in it. I do go back and forth with this one right here that I got from my the lady that did my face. I had it a long time and I can't believe it's still not done. So just go in with your serum and put it on your face and just rub it in. And I put the serum all over my entire face and neck, and also under the eye, because you guys know that when you do have dry skin, under your eyes it gets really dry, like seriously dry. So go ahead and do that. And then the final step, I'm gonna go in, this is optional, but I'm gonna go into my NYX Liquid Illuminator, and this is just to intensify your glow. And I'm gonna put a little bit, like a little tiny bit, and just rub it wherever I normally glow, but sometimes I put it all over. And then if you do put on makeup or powder, it will definitely like give it a nice glow underneath, so you don't have to put any, you know, any glow on your skin. Okay, so now that you see that everything is looking nice, this is really looking nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, oops, dropping everything right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use what I'm gonna use a little teeny, when I say teeny drop of this, and I'm gonna put it onto my fingers like this. So you see how small it is? That's it. That is it. And then what I'm gonna do, I never did this before, but today's the day. I'm gonna take it and then rub it into my hand, just like that, and then use my hand and rub it all over my face. And just put a little bit on your forehead. You guys know that I don't really put those stuff on my forehead anymore. And I'm rubbing it in. I'm rubbing it in with my hand, and this is really easy, like you're on the go. This is really, really easy for you. So if you're in a rush and you have to go out in like 5-10 minutes out the door, this will be definitely for you. And I'm gonna put it all over like this and put it right over my lid and blend it. So do you guys see the difference already? Like, it looked like I have on makeup, but I don't. So yeah, this is it right now. And then the last step I'm gonna do with my face, I'm gonna take my powder. I'm not gonna even do any highlight under my eyes. When I say this is like no makeup tutorial, this is really like no makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna take my finishing powder. You can use any finishing powder of your choice. I'm using the MAC in NW45, and I'm gonna take it onto this brush and put it all over my face and blend it down to your neck. So do you see the difference? Like, it not even look like I have on makeup at all. And the thing is that I'm not even gonna clean up my eyebrow. The way how my eyebrow is right now, it really looks good. So I don't have to clean up my eyebrow. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my mascara and coat my lashes. Okay, so now that the lashes is coated, it's optional for you guys if you don't want to wear lashes, but I do have lashes which is called Independent, and it's really like very simple and nice. Let me take it out of the package because this is a new one, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Like, I'm gonna put on one and then you're gonna see the difference, but it's very, when I say very subtle, it looks so subtle. And this one is called Independent. This is on my website right now to purchase. The link is always down in the description box, but I'm going to show you it one side when I put it on, and then you're going to see the difference. So this is optional if you want to use it. And also, what I forgot to tell you guys is that if you do have like really dark spots on your face, I will definitely recommend that you color correct before you do what I did earlier, because a lot of times, you know, a lot of people don't have perfect skin. I don't have perfect skin. I do have dark spots, especially right here and on my eyelid, but I tone it down. I don't take it away, okay? I tone it down. So as you guys see, that it's very toned down, and you see exactly what I put on my face. So if you feel like you want to put a little bit more to cover the darker spot right here, which I do see, but I really don't. I mean, it's natural. This is my natural skin tone. But what I want to do is take my same powder, which is the MAC in NW45, and I'm going to put it onto a beauty blender. This is not damp. This is dry as hell. So what I do is I take some and I put it on, and then blow it off a little bit, and then I just tap it right underneath, just like that, just so that it could hide more of the dark spots. And I'm gonna show you guys how it look, and you will see the difference with one side. So I'm gonna take a little bit more and just tap it on. And this will definitely hide more of that dark spot that you have underneath your eyes. Okay, so now you see the difference. Like, look, I don't know if you can see the difference, but I do. This one is more like brighter, like it cover more, see? And then this one is a little bit darker. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And this is a step that I never did before. Like, no joke, I never did this before. Like, I never put makeup onto my hand and then rub it into my face. I never did this before, but I just feel like it will work. And as you can see, that it is definitely working. So I'm just gonna tap it in, and you can also put it onto your eyelid if you want, just like that. So now you see the difference, like it covers more. It definitely covers more. So next I'm gonna put on these lashes right here. And as I said, this lashes is from my hair company, PrestigeHumanHair.com. And what I'm gonna do, which one is this? It's falling all over the damn place. So I'm gonna cut these lashes a little bit because these are longer than my own lashes, which all lashes come. So I'm gonna cut a little bit, not too much. And then I like to do this with my lash just to make it more fluffier, like, you know, flick up more. And then I'm gonna put my glue on. Okay guys, so as you see that it is on, you can see the difference with one side. So you can, it's optional, but I'm just showing you guys the lashes that I have and how natural it will look if you're not used to those crazy flary fluffy lashes. But you can wear it if you want, you can wear it if you don't want, it's up to you. But I just want to show you guys how it looks when you have on lashes and when you don't. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on. Okay guys, so now that both sides is on, the final step I'm gonna spray my face, and I'll be using the Morphe and can't speak today. I'll be using the Morphe and Jeffree Star Spray. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little line. You can use your lip gloss if you want, or you know, whatever you feel like using. But I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of my Fenty, and this one is in Fenty Glow. Okay, so I lied. I decided to put a little teeny bit of blush. I'm not gonna put a lot because you guys know that I really, you know, kind of want to tone down the blush. But this one is very, very, very subtle. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that, and then pretty much, you know, you're all done. This is the final look. Really simple and nice. I really love it. It's like it was 10 minutes, like no joke. This took me like 10 minutes to do, and you can definitely do it at home yourself. As you can see how flawless and nice my makeup is. And as I said, if you want to put on lashes, it's up to you. But if you're wearing lashes and you want to wear something really simple and cute, buy the independent lashes from me. As said, the link is always in the description box. So yeah, pretty much this is it of the no makeup video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this, and you can definitely learn at home with me. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell, because I do upload Monday through Friday. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.